Good morning, children. In this video, we will study about the chemical properties of metals. So, children, first of all, we will see about, do you know that substances which are good conductors of heat are usually good conductors of electricity, that we know. And similarly, bad conductors of heat are also bad conductors of electricity. But only diamond, which is a bad conductor of electricity, but it is the good conductor of heat. Got it? Now we will see about chemical properties of metals. Metals are always reactive, and what happens? They lose electrons, and when they lose electrons, what happens? They becomes positively charged, and that's why metals are called electropositive metals. Now see, children, we have here try this that you have to do. For that you have to take pair of tongs or spatula, knife and burner. Then you have to take samples of aluminium, copper and iron, lead, zinc, magnesium and sodium. What you have to do? You have to hold the sample of each of the above metals at the top of the flame as shown in figure 8.1, and at the top of a flame of a burner with the help of a pair of tongs or a spatula. So you have to see which metal catches fire easily. Then how does the surface of a metal appear on catching fire, and what is the color of the flame while the metal is burning on flame. So this you have to do by your own. Now we will see reaction of metals with different things. First of all, we will see reaction of metals with oxygen. So what happens, children, when metals combine with oxygen, its oxides are formed. And sodium and potassium, they are very reactive metals. So when sodium atoms combines with oxygen in the air, it forms sodium oxide. But see, children, here reaction is given to you 4Na plus O2, it gives 2Na2O. That means when sodium reacts with oxygen, it forms sodium oxide. But what happens, sodium on when it is exposed to air, it readily catches fire. म्हणजे सोडियम जसं एअरमध्ये जातं तसं एकदम फायर कॅच म्हणजे एकदम त्याला फायर म्हणजे इट कॅचेस फायर. देअर फोर म्हणजे हे असं होऊ नये म्हणून त्याला नेहमी लॅबॉरेटरीमध्ये ठेवताना केरोसिनमध्ये ठेवतात, कारण की वाऱ्याच्या संपर्कात आलं की लागलीच त्याला आग लागते, म्हणून त्याला सोडियमला कधीही केरोसिनमध्ये ठेवतात. Oxides of some metals, they are soluble in water. They react with water to form alkali. काही काही मेटल्सचे जे ऑक्साईड असतात ते वॉटरमध्ये रिॲक्ट होऊन त्याचे अल्कलीज तयार होते. जसं Na2O प्लस H2O गिव्ह सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साईड. म्हणजे जेव्हा सोडियम ऑक्साईड वॉटरसोबत रिॲक्ट होते त्यावेळेस सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साईड तयार होते. We know that magnesium oxide is formed on burning magnesium ribbon in the air. That we know it very well. And magnesium oxide, what happens? It reacts with water to form an alkali called magnesium hydroxide. म्हणजे म्हणजे जेव्हा मॅग्नेशियम ऑक्साईड ऑक्सिजनमध्ये सोबत रिॲक्ट होते तेव्हा मॅग्नेशियम ऑक्साईड होते, आणि मग मॅग्नेशियम ऑक्साईड जेव्हा वॉटरसोबत रिॲक्ट होते त्यावेळेस मॅग्नेशियम हायड्रॉक्साईड तयार होते. म्हणजे काय तयार होते? अल्कली तयार होते. नाव रिॲक्शन्स ऑफ मेटल्स विथ वॉटर. हे जे बघितलं आपण रिॲक्शन ऑफ मेटल्स विथ ऑक्सिजन, आता आपल्याला बघायचं आहे रिॲक्शन ऑफ मेटल्स विथ वॉटर. सो ॲपरेटस व्हॉट यू हॅव टू टेक? यू हॅव टू टेक सम बीकर्स and you have to take samples of various metals. See procedure, what you have to do? You have to drop a piece of each of the metal in separate beakers filled with cold water. You have to take the beakers, and in all the beakers you have to fill with cold water, and you have to put the metal in each of them. So here then we have to see which metals react with water, which metals floats on water, and you have to prepare a chart. So see, children, here you can see sodium and potassium metal, it reacts rapidly and with water, and it liberates hydrogen gas. See, it is clear from your reaction. 2Na plus 2H2O, what happens? It gives 2NaOH plus H2 plus heat. Means when sodium reacts with water, it forms sodium hydroxide, as well as it gives hydrogen gas and heat. See, arrangement is given to you in figure 8.2. In the same way for potassium also. And in the same way, on the other hand, when calcium reacts with water slowly and less vigorously, means it forms very slowly and vigorously, and hydrogen gas is also released in this reaction. It collects on the surface of the metal in the form of bubbles and the metal floats on water. See children, it is shown here in your figure. So here what happens, calcium, it is the figure, the reaction is shown. 2Ca plus 2H2O gives you 2COH twice plus H2. Then the next one is the metals like aluminium, iron and zinc. What happens, it does not react with cold or hot water, but it reacts with oxide. म्हणजे हे गरम किंवा थंड पाण्यासोबत रिॲक्ट नाही होत, हे स्टीम सोबत रिॲक्ट होते, and it forms oxide and hydrogen gas is released. So which are the metals which reacts with steam? They are aluminium, iron and zinc. So after reaction it forms aluminium oxide, ferric oxide and zinc oxide. Okay children, so in the next video we will see reaction of metals with oxygen.